The UK taxpayer spends over £2 billion a year at Sellafield, tackling some of the most complex environmental and engineering challenges on the planet. The result has been the creation of world-class capabilities across an amazingly broad range of industrial activities. The experience of Sellafield Limited and its suppliers is keenly studied by all the world's nuclear nations. The site is viewed as a benchmark for technology and management innovation, performance and strong regulation. As a region, we want the UK to realise even greater value from all this capability, annual investment and global reputation.
For over 40 years now in Copeland, Sellafield have dominated the local economy. What we've had is a large Sellafield and by comparison a relatively small supply chain. This gives us an opportunity to change that dynamic.
So the Sellafield strategy is to work more closely and more creatively with its supply chain. So the opportunity we have with the ISH is to bring together Sellafield and the supply chain into a geographical cluster, the kind of cluster that's been proven across the world to bring huge regional economic benefit. The output from this cluster is access. It's access to world-leading skills, experience, talent, the kind of capability which is really sought after by global customers.
We have a rich scientific and engineering culture here in Copeland and West Cumbria. We have designed, commissioned, constructed, operated and decommissioned 7 reactors and all of the plant associated with that. There is nowhere better in the world more equipped to be out there in the world selling decommissioning skills.
So at the centre of our cluster is a campus where Sellafield and the supply chain teams can work closely together in a tight-knit campus environment. The kind of environment that can really drive networking and the kind of networking that can really fuel collaboration. Collaboration which will be of huge benefit to Sellafield, to the supply chain and to national and international customers.
The aim of this partnering will be to jointly deliver the site mission faster, cheaper, more flexibly and at lower risk. Happily, the Sellafield Limited strategy is also a tremendous opportunity for our regional economy.
For too long we've been dependent on Sellafield. What we want is to be more outward focused, looking at investment opportunities, creating a new commercial dynamic around the Sellafield capability, supporting the delivery of the mission on site, but also celebrating and harnessing the capability of this world-class business. This has been created over decades of taxpayer investment. We need to return that investment now. So to turn this around and really harness this opportunity now isn't a minor tweak, it's a seismic shift in how we do business, but it's really exciting.
Sellafield Limited will be the critical anchor for an exporting economy. But it's not going to be the organisation that takes the lead in driving growth and diversity in the regional economy. Instead, this separate mission must be community-led. So the region's stakeholders have come together to create a vision, strategy and an organisation that Sellafield can put its shoulder behind. We have called our initiative the Industrial Solutions Hub, or ISH for short.
The Industrial Solutions Hub ticks so many boxes in Copeland. It brings us the much needed regeneration we need both from employment and in one of our key towns.
So we've now acquired a site for our campus. We're delighted to announce that we've acquired the Leconfield Industrial Estate. Perfectly sized, perfectly positioned. It's close to Sellafield, it's close to regional business, and it's also close to all of the regional stakeholders.
A number of supply chain companies have already built up around Cleator Moor, around the Phoenix Centre and areas like that. And the business park on the outskirts of Cleator Moor is the ideal location to develop this proposition.
With the support of Cumbria Local Enterprise Partnership, Copeland Borough Council has agreed a deal to buy the site from the existing owner. Working with a major architect, we've developed a high-level master plan for the campus. The vision is truly transformative.
Cleator Moor South is in one of the most deprived wards nationally against any of the indices you want to use. In particular, a large proportion of the community have no qualifications, and those that do work, a large portion are dependent on Sellafield. So any changes on the site will hit Cleator Moor hard.
So Cleator Moor is a town with a really rich and vibrant past. It has a track record of people and businesses that know how to get things done and get things made. Now it's time for the next generation of people within Cleator Moor to start thinking of the future and be aspirational with that vision.
The The site will bring some long-lasting benefits. It'll attract new companies and also enable us to build on the world-class nuclear capabilities that exist more in Copeland than anywhere else on the planet.
The Industrial Solutions Hub aligns with this government's ambitions around skills, particularly lifetime skills, around UK productivity and absolutely the global export market.
Whether you're talking about levelling up, return on investment, what the ISH will do is support our industry, support our community, use our talent, drive our economy. There's some momentum gathering here, and I can't wait to see what happens next.